Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Autobot Arcade here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Transformers Age of the Primes Air Raid.
Welcome to Autobot Arcade.
Starting off with the packaging, we've got the nice Transformers Age of the Primes logo down the bottom, some pictures of the character, and the 13 primes on the side. We have a picture of the robot mode and the vehicle mode, and a nice picture of Superion on the other side of the box. Air Raid is one of the original Aerialbots, a fast-flying Autobot who's always looking for action. He transforms into a jet and combines to form part of Superion, the Aerialbot combiner. He's reckless, brave, and always first to dive into battle, and this figure, it reflects that spirit. He's a really clean looking figure, with a nice blocky look to him, to give him that G1 look. He does have a bit of a backpack, but that doesn't bother me that much, seeing as in the actual cartoon they did have quite large backpacks. He has a couple of nice paint apps, some Letdown on the legs, an Autobot symbol on the chest, and his face looks really nice. Some silver on the top and those nice blue eyes. Perfectly captures his classic cartoon look. Inside of the box comes the instruction manual. And as for accessories, he comes with a few of them. First of all, we have these blade-like things, which are actually the fins, which will plug onto the back of the legs and form the back part of the vehicle mode. They got a bit of grey paint on them, but not too much detail really. And he also comes with these two sort of shotgun pistol things. Nicely detailed, however there is no paint on them. The fins just plug into the back of the legs like this. However, in robot mode you're going to want to swivel them upwards, just like so. And the guns can attach into the hands, just like this. For articulation, the head is on a ball joint, allowing him to look all the way around. The shoulder can come out to the side, as well as going forwards and backwards, all the way around. He has a swivel just above the elbow, and a single jointed elbow, allowing him to get just past 90 degrees. He has a waist swivel. The legs can go out to the side, backwards and forwards. There is a swivel just above the knee. The knees also just have a single jointed bend, and at the ankle there is a tilt, and the toes can move up slightly. For comparison, here we have him next to the Transformers Rise of the Beast Bumblebee, Rise of the Beast Optimus Prime, Gamer Edition Ratchet, the Commander Class Optimus Prime, New Age Optimus Prime, Marvel Legends Sam Wilson Captain America, and finally Star Wars Black Series Commander Bakara. And here he is in his jet mode, and this thing looks slick. It's a fighter jet with black, white and red detailing. The sculpting is sharp and the panel lines give it a modern edge. There's some nice Autobot logos on the wings, and if you flip out the Autobot symbol on his chest, it reveals some landing gear which can be used to hold up the front of him when he's in this mode. He is a bit chunky on the underside. You can see a lot of the robot mode, and the feet do stick out, making him seem a bit bulkier, but it's not too bad. The accessories can just plug into the underside of the wings, here and here. Now he's fully weaponed up and ready to fight the Decepticons. For comparison, here we have him next to the Transformers Rise of the Beasts Bumblebee, Rise of the Beasts Optimus Prime, Gamer Edition Ratchet, the Commander Class Optimus Prime, New Age Optimus Prime, Marvel Legends Sam Wilson Captain America, and Star Wars Black Series Commander Bakara. So, final thoughts. Transformers Age of the Primes Air Raid is a solid, nostalgic yet modern figure. He has a great alt mode, awesome robot mode, decent accessories, and if you're building Superion, it's a no-brainer. Even solo, he stands strong as a display piece, and he would be an excellent addition to anyone's collection. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And don't forget to leave a comment down below on who you'd like to see me do next. And until next time, transform and roll out.